Come back. No! What's up, y'all? It is officially the first day of fasting. I'm still sick. Feeling actually really sick. But today must go on. And I'm headed to go straight to the studio again for product photography. I didn't show you guys yesterday, but I'll show y'all what I've been doing for the past 2 days. It's like a 5-day project, all day in the studio doing product photography, reshooting all of our products, me and Giselle. So we'll take you guys there now. Forgot my Quran. Gotta get back into the apartment. Come on, key. God dang, hold on. This key is the worst. You have to wait till there's like a smiley face and then you can turn it. I have to start reading my juz. I'm gonna grab a tasbih too. Trusty tasbih. Hold on. Okay, now I'm ready. Here at the studio. Only thing that sucks is they're playing music, which ordinarily I'm about it. But because it's Ramadan now, kind of sucks, but I don't know, there's not much I can do. Not gonna be the party pooper. Hi, I have my camera on. This is Claire. Hi. Hi. Hey guys. Hey, how are you? How's it going? I'm vlogging today. Hope y'all are okay with that.
We are.
Hey, Angel.
Hi.
Giselle, you're such a freak.
It's so cold everywhere.
Giselle needs it to be 80 degrees anywhere. Okay. All right, so today's the first day of fasting here at the studio. It is. And the lunch today is unreal. It's all Melanie all day. And of course you can't have it. And I didn't even know what it was until Giselle said that and I ran in there and I was like, oh,
Big noodles.
I have to go, I have to go. I gotta go see it.
Let's go check it out.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
It's everything I ever wanted!
I know. Look at this.
No, that's literally my dish.
Yes.
I order that all the time.
Yes.
And the veggies
Yes.
and the rice.
Yes. Yes.
You guys ever do that? You just smell food and then
Yeah. Then you feel
fills
full.
you up?
Yeah. That's why I came back here to check it out.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy, we're eating takeout for the first, this never happened to me in my entire life of living. I've never had takeout for the first day of Iftar in my life. Yeah. What is that, squid?
Fried squid.
Is this tofu?
This is tofu with crab.
Oh my god, what did you get? You're the craziest.
I know, I wanted to try some crazy stuff. These are steamed shrimp dumplings.
Oh my goodness.
Yay.
Wow, and me on the other hand.
Chicken! Yes! And then this is that spicy beef soup.
Mmm.
I don't-
Oh, that's the noodles. The braised noodles. Braised,
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't get the soup.
Okay, well that's what braised is.
Okay.
What's in it?
What
It's
is
crazy.
that? That looks like onion. Okay, this is
It's supposed
not,
to be crabs. It's little
not-
crab pieces.
it's not for me. Enjoy. Ooh, first bites of the day.
So good.
Is it? What is it?
I don't know. This is a mystery. This is a mystery. This is squid. This is a mystery.
Dude, have you ever had an iftar like this?
No.
The first iftar of Ramadan?
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. But I'm so excited.
Oh, water feels so good, alhamdulillah.
Noodles feel so good.
Yeah, everything is great. I've never, this is a record. I've never broken my fast like this. Not at home, not with my fam, although G's my fam. And definitely not takeout, but alhamdulillah, this is great.
Alhamdulillah.
All right, now I'm about to annihilate. Bye. I just got home, guys. I'm asleep. It's 10:30. I have to finish my juz. I have a few pages left. Then I gotta pray Isha, a few rakat tarawih. I won't be able to do all 20. And then sleep time. Do it all over again tomorrow.